Hello YouTube, it's me again. Today we're gonna do a bird cage tour. Let's get right into it. Here's the parakeets, and there's one of the bird houses. There's the food, two more parakeets that belong here, but sometimes we let them roam. Caught him. Yeah, they're both our pairs. There's more birds up there. One of them is too shy. That one. And one of them just wants to hang out in the back. He's not shy, but he likes doing that most of the time. Yeah. You can see there's like a lot of feathers. Here's an egg. Wait. Yeah, I thought I saw an egg. Probably bird poop. Well, there was an egg here that the little baby was there. The mama bird took it out. But I don't know if there's eggs in it. Holy cow. Holy cow. There is one egg. I just peeked in through it a little bit. And this one's my favorite bird because he's not really scared of too much things. Once in a while he does get a little scared, but yeah. So this is my bird cage tour. If you want more videos like this, comment in the comment section below and like and subscribe. Thank you. But I'm gonna eat one of these sunflower seeds that aren't salted. It's so hard to break. My hands on the camera because I need to open it up. Oh god. These are like so hard to break. I don't know. Alright. But you're like the ones they put in the little baggie more easier, like the lace. Look, here's the little, see? It's going to shake it out. There. Oh god, it's hard to get. See? Oh god. See? It's enough flavor. Nope. Yeah. This one likes to sing, right? That's the word he knows. Come on, sing. Okay, that's enough. But as I said earlier, if you want more videos like this, comment in the comment section below and like and subscribe. Thank you. Just need to close this. Bye.